In this next video, we would talk about agent. So in AI, there are multiple different types of agents. So here, as you can see on the screen, we have something called React agent, reflection agent, and there are many more. So in this demo, we would showcase how agent works through one example. So let me take a reflection agent for the demo. Let me first explain you what is a reflection agent, right? So it basically is a combination of two agents. Okay, so there is one agent which would generate something like a tweet, for example, uh, and then there would be another agent which is going to review that and give a feedback to the generator or generate agent, and then it would improve its response, and then the second agent again can review, and you can do it in a multiple time, right? So this loop, you can set a parameter out here. So I would show in this example only with one feedback loop, but this is only a parameter in the program. You can change it to say 3, 4, 5 if you want to do multiple round of reviews. So based on, so here is the user would give a prompt, then one agent would generate a tweet. For example, if the request is to generate a tweet, the generator would create a tweet. It would go to the reflect agent who would review that, give the feedback. Then the generate LLM again, or the agent would again improve that response, and then at one point in time, once based on whatever loop you set, finally the response would be sent back to the user. So that is how reflection agent works. So in agent, in one of the videos I showed you how we give LLM access to tools, and in another video we talk about context and memory. So agent in a nutshell is basically a combination of LLM, memory, and tools, right? And here in this example, we are showing two agents, how they work in tandem. And that is why it is called reflection agents pattern, because here one agent is generating it and the other one is reflecting on that, right? So let's get back to the demo. So if you tell this agent to write a tweet on this subject, AI is good for humanity. So let's see the response. Yeah. So what you see is that so this is your query. Okay. So what I am putting as human here is basically your query. So you have given a subject to this agent to write a tweet on this subject. AI is good for humanity. Now the response that you see from AI is this. So initially this is the tweet, right? Now what you see this as human, this is how basically we have coded. So this is the response from the second agent. Okay, so this is the response from the, what you see as AI is the response from the first agent. I could have also tagged it differently, but for simplicity I have kept it like that, as if a human is giving the feedback. Second agent is basically giving you the feedback, right? So it is saying added a hook, so, and then providing specific examples. It is asking, including a call to action, used relevant hashtag like AI for good, humanity first, and all that stuff, right? To make this tweet even more effective, I would recommend, so it is also giving some recommendation: keep it concise, use visuals, time it right, encourage engagement, monitor and respond, right? So this is what uh, the second agent is giving the feedback. Based on that, so this is the first one again responding that I appreciate the detailed breakdown and the changes and additional recommendation to make the tweet even more effective. And here is the new tweet. So it is basically saying, so it has changed that tweet to something else, right? And it is also giving a summary of what it has changed, right? So this is an example of how agents can work in tandem, uh, supporting each other. And as told in the beginning, I have given only one review loop. But if I increase it to three, then again this feedback, this tweet can be given back to the second agent for second review, and then it can go in the loop till the till the moment you are satisfied with the tweet, and then that time it can stop. Now, the similar workflow you can do with a document also. You can ask one agent to write a document and ask the second one to review. Then again, the first one would rectify the document. Then again, it can be reviewed and so on and so forth, right? So this has good implication for the kind of work that we do. For example, if somebody is writing an RCA document, one agent can write the RCA document, other agent can review it, and then again, the first one can rectify the review comments, incorporate the review comments, and so on and so forth. So this is briefly about how agents, and here it is reflection agent because there are two agents, uh, how it works. So you, so I'm stopping this demo here, and in the next demo we would cover one of the agentic workflow. So I would give a demo on Crew AI in the next demo. See you in the next demo.